Welcome students on online class for subject physics. Today we have learned about chapter number 5, oscillation. In this chapter we have seen examples on differential equation, time period, frequency and force constant. So before seeing the examples, first we want to see the formulas which are used in simple linear simple harmonic motion. So first formula will be force is directly proportional to the displacement from mean position. Therefore force is equal to minus kx, or in magnitude force is equal to kx, where k is called force constant. See here, we can also write k equal to m omega square, or k upon m is equal to omega square. This is the first formula which can be used in the example. The second formula, which is differential equation of linear SHM. It will be d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. The third formula can be seen. It is displacement of particle performing linear SHM. X is equal to a sine of omega t plus alpha, where alpha is called initial angle or epoch, and a is amplitude. At mean position, x is equal to a sine omega t, and at extreme position x is equal to a cos omega t. The fourth formula will be seen velocity of particle performing linear SHM. See here, v equal to omega in bracket a square minus x square. Using these formulas, we can solve some examples from the chapter oscillation. So first example will be seen, that is differential equation of SHM of a particle of mass 200 gram. Mass is given as 200 gram, and this differential equation is d2x upon dt square plus 16x equal to 0. Determine or find force constant, frequency as well as time period. So first of all, if we can give a data, that data is mass is given, that is 200 grams, means 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. And differential equation is given, that is d2x upon dt square plus 16x is equal to 0. Find k equal to question mark, frequency question mark, and time period question mark. So we can solve the example by using differential equation. We know that differential equation will be d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. By comparing the equation, the given equation, so we can compare omega square equal to 16. So omega is equal to 4. If we can compare the equation, so the first question will be calculate, that is k equal to m omega square. M is given as 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 16. So 16 into 2, that is 3200 into 10 to the power minus 3, means 3.2 Newton per meter. That is the force constant which is given. The second question will be, we can find out frequency or we can find out time period. So first of all, we know that omega equal to 2 pi upon capital T. So therefore capital T is equal to 2 pi upon omega. See here, if we can calculate T, so and substitute the value of omega, that is 2 pi upon 4. So what happened? 2 is given, that is pi upon 2, and we know the value of pi, that is 3.142 upon 2, that is 1.571 second. This is the answer for time period. But we want to find frequency. So we know that frequency is equal to 1 upon time period. Therefore frequency is equal to 1 upon pi upon 2, that is 2 upon pi. We know that the value of pi, that is 2 upon 3.142. So here if we can solve by using logarithm, if we can take a reciprocal of 3.142, this reciprocal of the 3.1 in 4, that is 3.1 in 4 is 0.3226. 3.1 in 4, that is 0.3185. Mean difference 2 is subtract, so it becomes 0.3183, and we multiply the 2, so frequency becomes 2 3 the 6, 2 8 the 16, 1 is remaining, 2 1 the 1, and 3 is there, and 2 3 the 6. So therefore 0.6366, that is the frequency given by, or answer of frequency of the given example. Means 3 answers will be given. One will be force constant, another will be time period, and third will be frequency. By using these 3 answers, we can solve the example number 1. Again, we can solve example number 2. That example is a body of mass 350 gram performs linear SHM with period of pi second. What is force constant? See here, example is seen. What is force constant? So first of all we can write data. So here in this example, mass is given, mass is equal to 350 gram, means 350 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. And here time period is given pi second, and we can calculate the value of k. So first of all, for force constant, a formula will be k equal to m omega square, or omega square equal to k upon m. But we want to find value of omega. So we know omega is equal to 2 pi upon capital T. If we substitute the value of capital T, that is pi, it becomes 2 pi upon pi. Pi get cancel, will be 2 per second. This 2 value is substitute in omega square, and value of mass is given. So force constant K will be 350 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 2 square. So here 350 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 4. If we multiply, 4 0 the 0, 4 5 the 20, 2 is remaining, 4 3 the 12, it becomes 14. 1400 into 10 to the power minus 3. So the answer for given example, it will be force constant is equal to 1.4 Newton per meter. That is the answer for given example. Again, if we can solve the third example, that third example will be a body of mass 1 kg. Mass is 1 kg. Performs linear simple harmonic motion. Experience a restoring force, that is 4.9 Newton. Force is given, it will be 4.9 Newton. Acting on it, its displacement from mean position is 0.1 meter. Write the differential equation. See here, a data is given. In this example, data is mass will be given as 1 kg. Here force is given as 4.9 Newton, and displacement from mean position x is given as 0.1 meter. So first of all we want to find omega. For finding omega, we can find by using definition of linear SHM. Definition will be force is directly proportional to displacement, that is in magnitude force equal to kx. Therefore k equal to force upon x. So first k will be find out. Force is given as 4.9 Newton and displacement is given as 0.1 meter. So force will be 49 Newton per meter, because decimal point is cancel. So we can find out omega. So we know that k equal to m omega square. Therefore omega equal to k upon m, or omega square equal to k upon m. So substituting the value of k and substituting the value of m, that will be 49 upon 1. The value will be omega square. and we know that differential equation. So differential equation of linear SHM is d2x upon dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. So the answer for differential equation of linear SHM, it will be d2x upon dt square plus 49x equal to 0. That is the answer of the given question or of the given example number 3. Again, if we can solve a particle executing SHM, see here, particle is executing SHM according to x equal to 5 sin pi t, where x in centimeter. How long will the particle take to move from mean position of equilibrium to the position for maximum displacement? When such numerical will be asked, so first of all we can write the data. Data is given x equal to 5 sin pi t. By comparing the equation for mean position, we know that for mean position x is equal to a sin omega t. Comparing given equation, then here a is equal to 5 centimeter and omega is equal to pi per second. See here, when we want to find how long means time is equal to question mark. But when particle move from mean position to position for maximum displacement, that is extreme position, means when particle is moved from mean position to extreme position. For extreme position x equal to a. So therefore 5 centimeter is equal to 5 sin of pi t. So what happened? First of all 5 get cancel. So 1 is equal to sin of pi t, and we know that sin of pi by 2 is 1. By comparing the sine angle, we can write as pi t is equal to pi upon 2. What happened? Here pi get cancel. T equal to 1 upon 2 means 0.5. So time, how long means time it will take to move the particle from mean position to extreme position. The time will be 0.5 second. The answer is given for the given example, or answer is obtained for the given example number 4. Again, if we can see the example, that example will be a particle performs simple harmonic motion of period 12 seconds and amplitude 8 centimeter. if initially particle is at positive extremity, how much time will it take to cover a distance of 6 centimeter from extreme position? See here, before seeing the example, we can write data. In data, here time period is given, that is capital T is equal to 12 seconds. We can find out omega. When capital T is given, we can find out omega. Amplitude is given, that is 8 centimeter. This amplitude is maximum displacement from mean position, that is 8 centimeter. Initially particle is at positive extremity, then we want to find time to cover a distance from 6 centimeter, a distance of 6 centimeter from extreme position, means distance 6 centimeter from extreme point. So here, when particle is moved from extreme point, so we can use the displacement of particle at extreme point. But before seeing, we can use the formula T equal to 2 pi upon omega. Therefore, omega is equal to 2 pi upon capital T. If we substitute the value of capital T, then omega equal to 2 pi upon 12. So what happen? It will be pi upon 6. So first we know the value of omega, pi upon 6. So here, from extreme means at extreme point, distance will be, or displacement will be, a cos omega t. If we can substitute the value of a and if we can substitute the value of omega, so x is equal to 8 cos pi upon 6 into time t. And here distance is given, that distance is 6 centimeter from extreme point, and maximum distance will be 8 centimeter from mean position. So therefore x is equal to 8 centimeter minus 6 centimeter is equal to 2 centimeter. Means actual displacement. See here, when particle is at mean position and maximum distance to extreme position will be 8 centimeter, and when the particle is moved from 6 centimeter to 8 centimeter, from extreme point, so this remaining displacement from mean position becomes 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter is equal to 8 cos of pi upon 6 t. What happened? 2 upon 8 is equal to cos of pi by 6 into t. 2 1 the 2 and 2 for the 8. So it will be 0.25. When we see cos angle, means pi upon 6t is equal to cos of inverse 0.25. Its angle will be in natural cosine. We can see 0.25, this 0.25, it will be 0.25 0.2504 means 75.5 degree. So pi by 6 into t is equal to 75.5 degree or 75 degree 30 minutes or 31 minutes, that is 75.5 or 6 degree. So if we can calculate the time, see here time is equal to 6 multiplied by 75.5 degree divided by 180 degree. What happens? 6 1 the 6 and 6 30 the 180. So here if we can divide 30, so 7.55 divided by 3. So what happened? 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 1 is remaining, becomes 15, 3 5 the 15, 3 1 the 3, 2 is remaining, and 3 6 the 18, 3 6 the 18. So time for a particle to cover a distance of 6 cm from extreme position, if maximum displacement will be 8 cm, so time will be 2.5167 second. That is the answer for given example number 5. So in this example number 5, here we can understand the particle cover a distance of 6 cm from extreme position and maximum displacement will be 8 cm. Again we can solve the another example. That example will be displacement of particle performing linear simple harmonic motion. It will be x equal to 10 sine of pi t plus pi upon 6 centimeter. Again the question is given in centimeter. If t is equal to 0.4 second, find velocity of particle performing linear simple harmonic motion. See here in this example a data will be given. Data will be here. We know that the formula for displacement x equal to a sine of omega t plus alpha. The comparing equation here, a is given as, amplitude is given as 10 centimeter, omega is given as 5 pi, alpha is given as pi upon 6. We can find out first x when time is given 0.4 second, and again we can find out velocity v. See here for finding x and v. So first of all we can substitute the value of time. So here x is equal to 10 sine 5 pi multiplied by 0.4 plus pi upon 6. What happened? 10 sine of, that is 2 pi plus pi upon 6. We use sine of theta plus pi by 6. If such type is given, then it is sine of pi by 6. So here we can write as x equal to 10 sine of pi by 6. If we substitute the value for pi, so the value for pi, it will be 10 into sine of 180 degree upon 6. So x is equal to 10 multiplied by sine of 6 1 the 6 and 630 the 180 degree. So that is 30 degree. And we know the value for sine 30, it will be, sine 30 has value 1 upon 2. So here if sine 30 is given, that is 1 upon 2. So x is equal to 10 multiplied by 1 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter. So we can find out x. X will be 5 centimeter. See here, we want to find v. V is equal to omega square root of a square minus x square. We know the value for omega. The value for omega, it will be 5 pi. And value for a 10 centimeter means a square becomes 100 minus x 5 centimeter means it becomes 25. So here 5 pi square root of 75. We want to find the square root of 75. So here using power and factorial. Powers and factorial 75 and its square root, it will be 8.660. So here 5 pi multiplied by 8.660. So it will be 0, 5 0 the 0, 5 6 the 30, 3 will be remaining, 5 6 the 30, 33 is there, 3 is remaining, 5 8 the 40 and 3 will be 43. So 43.300 pi. If we substitute the value of pi, that will be 43.3 into 3.142. Again, by solving logarithm, one will be characteristics for 43 and 43 in 3, its logarithm will be 43 in 3, log will be 6365. 6365 and 31 in 4, 31 in 4, 4969 and into 3 is mean difference, that is 4972. It will be 7, 13, 13, 11 and 2. So take its antilog. Antilog of 0.13 in 3 and 7 in mean difference. 0.13 in 3, it will be 1358 and in 7, 2 is mean difference. So 60, 1.360 into 10 to the power 2. So it becomes 136.0. So answer will be velocity of given particle, it will be v equal to 136 centimeter per second. This 136 centimeter per second will be the answer for given example. So again we can solve the another example, that will be the displacement of particle performing linear simple harmonic motion is x equal to 0.5 sine of 6 pi t plus pi upon 6 in meter. Find number 1 amplitude, number 2 angular velocity, number 3 period, number 4 frequency and number 5 epoch of the simple harmonic motion. Such type of example is solved by using a formula, and the formula for displacement, see here we know displacement of particle performing linear SHM. X equal to A sine of omega t plus alpha. By comparing the given equation, here we can write a data. Data will be, first A is given as 0.5 meter. Here by comparing omega 6 pi means omega is 6 pi. Alpha is pi upon 6, and we can find out A, again omega, again time period, again frequency, and lastly epoch means alpha. The 5 questions are solved by given equation. So first of all, answer for first amplitude. Therefore, by comparing equation with given equation, which amplitude is 0.5 meter. First answer. Second answer will be angular velocity. Omega is 6 pi per second. Second answer is given. Third answer is time period. So T equal to 2 pi upon omega. 2 pi upon 6 pi. Pi get cancelled. 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6. 1 upon 3 second, or 0.3333 second. That is the time period. Again, we can find out frequency. Frequency is reciprocal of time period. So 1 upon 3. So that is 3 hertz. The fourth answer will be 3 hertz. And finally, we can find out alpha, epoch. It will be pi upon 6. So pi upon 6 means 180 degree upon 6, that is 30 degree. So initial angle or epoch, it will be 30 degree. Means 5 answers will be seen. One answer, that will be 0.5 meter. Second answer will be 6 pi. Third answer will be 0.33 or 1 upon 3 second. Fourth answer will be 3 hertz, and fifth answer will be 30 degree. These are the answers for given example. So an assignment is given for your practice. This assignment consists of, in first page 4 examples are given, their answer in bracket will be given, and in second page 3 examples are given. Total 7 examples will be given for your practice, and so you can prepare or you can solve, you can practice very much.